Alright, hey everybody, haven't filmed in a little bit, had some GoPro issues. Thought I fixed the camera, and yeah, found out when I went to Woodward Dream Cruise, tried to film some stuff that still wasn't fixed, so I had to buy a new board, and I just got it and replaced it, so now I can film some stuff a bit easier with the GoPro than it is with the digital camera. So today will be a little bit about the shadow. I want to try and get that front end mounted into it. Before I paint everything, get all the cutting and drilling to fit the headlights into the front end, because I'm doing I think it's an 89 to 94 style front end on an 88, so some cutting is going to be required to fit all the stuff in there correctly and bolt the headlights in, but it shouldn't be too bad. Also, I have a new engine for it, and I'll show you that further in the video and discuss some other stuff, but first I'll do the little bit of Woodward stuff I had done already. I'll plug it in right after this, and so you can see some of the Woodward stuff. So stay tuned and see what's going on.
Sounds go off when I enter the building.
Alright, hey guys, I'm out here at Woodward Dream Cruise, 12 in Woodward area. Pet Supplies Plus, where I'm at every year. My wife and my friend are here. Got the Grand Prix here, looking pretty good on the coilovers, but it's going to be a hot day. But I'll try and get some video for you guys, and we will come back with some more car show stuff.
You don't have to be afraid. You don't even have to be brave. Living in a gilded cage, the only risk is that you go. Yes, they
Alright, so onto the shadow. I'll show you the engine is out. I don't know how well you can see it or not, but engine is out. It's braced up. I do have new CV shafts for it. Came from an estate sale, which is pretty awesome. That's where I got the engine from too. But I'll take you over to the engine now. I'm going to climb through the garage a little bit. You won't believe this. Here it is. Yeah, it's sitting here. In the process of, taking a look at it. I paid $100 for this engine at this estate sale. It said no good on the valve cover, but there's like a broken tab on the head for valve cover bolts too, but it's not really that big of a deal, I don't think. Plus I have friends that can aluminum weld, so if I have to, I can make it work. But it came as a stick shift car. It came out of a stick shift car, so I have the flywheel, I have the clutch, and the pressure plate still, seems to be pretty good. I mean, I don't know. It's got some meat left to it. Doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look like it was burnt up too bad. I mean, there's the pressure plate. So I'll probably be selling that to someone that might need it. I don't think it's. Like I said, I don't know what kind it is. It's probably stock. I don't see anything like marking where it would be like any type of stage or anything like that. So pretty sure it's stock clutch. But I mean, someone trying to get off their build done quick or needs the budget, but turbo's on it. I haven't even really checked the turbo too much for play. Like I said, I just made sure it had compression and oil pressure, which it has both, so that's a good sign. But $100 for this, I mean, I wouldn't be mad if it didn't work. I could scrap it for more and use it for parts or something, but the original engine's sitting outside. I'll probably have it machined and checked, but it's a good start there. So I have doors for the Dakota and hoods for the Grand Prix, and it's never done here. So today we'll be looking at the front end, because right now, I mean, this part's in. These are not mounted because, well, if you look in there, I mean, this was a sealed beam, so this all has to get cut out because the bolt holes through here, they don't work. So I have to cut all this out. It's not a big deal. Put the new mounting tabs on here to get this to mount better. I mean, it's pretty solid right now, but just to mount it better. And yeah. So first off, I'll be taking this off, but since I'm the only one filming, I can't really show too much of it. It's not too difficult, pretty self-explanatory. And we'll get started. All right, so I have the holes cut to fit the headlight in. Kind of a rough cut. This should work. I have the newer style brackets on there. Just got to adjust them. They're not 100% fitting with the 88, obviously, because it's a different front core support, but should work. And I'm just working on getting adjusted to fit this grill shell in here. Okay, so here it is. The shell's all in, bolted up. You gotta do some modifications. If you look right here, I'm gonna have to move this up here, I believe, make some sort of bolt for this, but it's not really a big deal. Everything seems to be lining up fairly well. Now I'll put the grill on and test fit the headlights and see if they all fit okay. Room for that little adjuster cord or not, and we'll go from there. All right, there you have it. There's the front end on. Needs some fine tuning. I'm pretty sure this has been an accident before. That side's pushed in. I wonder where all those washers came out when I was taking the front end apart. I now know where they came from. Yeah, so apparently he had them spaced. So, but for right now it is what it is. It's on. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'm a sweaty hot mess. It's pretty warm out here today. So that's it for today. I'm going in and cooling off after I pick up my stuff, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, any questions, ask them, and see you guys next time.
Alarms go off when I enter the building.